Welcome. We've had a really busy week this week, so we've got a mixed bag of goodies for you.
We are Frank and Fern with JavaWalkerWorld. Join us on our journey to quench your thirst for the simple pleasure of a good coffee and explore our magnificent world one step at a time.
Good morning. We're getting started on the painting of the shed. What are you up to, Frank?
Now we're going to try the sprayer here for the first time. It was a sprayer that we originally had for years. We never used it at the house.
See the brand?
Never used it at the house, and then when we sold the house, we sold all kinds of goods. And friends of ours bought this. So now we asked them, well, could we borrow this sprayer?
So they're lending us their sprayer.
And it's never been used. Brand new. It's about, 6 years old, I think. We've had it for about 6 years in the box.
It's been in the box, so we're going to try it.
Yeah.
Hopefully we won't damage it or wreck it in any way for them, and it will work really well. So wish us luck. So Frank wants to, instead of using the hose that goes straight into the paint can, he wants to fill up the little reservoir and use it that way. So we'll try that, see if that works. So we've covered up the base of the shed, covered up the few little plants that we have there, so that we don't get paint all over the place. Frank still needs to take out that J-rail he promised to take out, and we'll be doing the faucets and fascias later on after we paint. We've never done that before. I think that's why we're a little hesitant, so we thought we'd make a mess first and then try to do that. We're starting off with some primer. You can see here we scraped the doors. The doors are kind of gross, but it is what it is, and we are not spending that much more on this shed. So Frank's the paint store suggested to thin out the paint a little bit. This is actually primer. Let's see if this works. First coat is just primer that we're working on, because this is just raw wood. I think our funnel is quite ingenious. Wow, that sprayer made fast work.
Today we're going to head into town, take care of some errands, pick up our paint supplies, and in the intro, because of the nice weather, we're having a couple of nice days, we're going to do Sugarloaf Provincial Park. It's just like 5 minutes out of town. We've only been there once in the winter. It was nice then. I can imagine what it's going to be like now in the summertime.
Take a walk. And now we're in town at the Canadian Tire to pick up our paint. As usual, we come into Canadian Tire to pick up one thing, and we ended up buying a little collapsible table. Frank got some caulking,
some spannable foam,
and some paint. There we go. We're all ready to go.
I'll do that.
Thank you, I know. As usual, we come to Canadian Tire to pick up a couple of things. We end up leaving with a whole bunch more. But we gotta love our Canadian Tire. There is the Sugarloaf Mountain that we're attempting to climb, and there is the Provincial Park just on the other side. not continue on with this trail.
Yeah, there's too many big puddles that look like they're lakes. With all the rain yesterday, so it's not going to.
Now, one good thing about this trail is that it is in the middle of the woods, and we are canopied by trees. So even though it's about noon, it's nice and shady, nice and cool. I mean, we're hot because we're moving, and we both have short sleeve t-shirts and light to wear, and yet we feel nice and cool. So we're also, because we've turned back, we're also going downhill, which makes it a lot easier than going uphill. Anyway, it's too bad we didn't do this today. But
another day. Here's another day. Always another day.
Just to give you an idea, that is the mountain. I don't know if you can see that. That is the mountain we were attempting to climb. We have a little theater here, so you can sit and have a jamboree. We were on an ATV trail, not the actual walking trail number 8.
This is this. This one here is this. See, we're past this water.
Yeah, we were on this dotted line.
So we would do this and then come in on 9 to climb. See the observation with the binocular.
Yeah, so it's a good thing we turned back.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we'll be back probably tomorrow or the next day, because our friends Russ and Bruce are coming for a visit, and we're going to be bringing them here. Frank and I are so excited. Our friends Russ and Bruce and their golden doodle have arrived to spend a little time here at the cabin with us. Let's see if we can get a tour of this new camper. Hello.
Hello. Come on.
Hello.
Come on in.
May I come in?
Welcome to our home. Please come in.
There you go.
We make the cake, but
Listen, thanks very much for letting us stay. Come in. Where Abby is now. This is her bed.
Nice.
The dining room area.
The dining room. Look at this fancy kitchen.
With the oven. Microwave, gas stove top, and the fridge over here, which will be stainless steel.
Yeah.
All the cupboards are new furnace.
Very nice.
Our bathroom, hopefully it's
That, isn't that
and a
nice?
shower. You have to take a look at the shower.
Oh, it's got a baby tub, which is really cute.
For my delicate
I think
feet.
that, and a skylight, queen size bed,
and then the storage, and then spot for our TV over here.
TV.
Oh, we forgot the TV. I show this.
This
TV.
TV over here in the living room and family room.
And the
Stereo.
system. And it's like, of course, all the. By the way, this is what Russ bought me, like for on the camping, like a puzzle and
Coloring
Keeping
and
busy.
things when you don't have anything to do. Isn't this lovely? It's just beautiful. There you go. Thank you for the tour. Well, good morning everyone. It's actually noon and we are headed to Sugarloaf Mountain to do some hiking trail. This is Abby and she's going to be joining us with her papas. Are you ready, Abby? Are you ready for a hike? The Terry Fox Trail, we're here?
Around the base of the mountain.
Jess and I both agree. Going down is just as challenging as going up, so be prepared. Abby, are you ready for a hike? It's here too. Bye, Abby.